Most people think manifestation is just about wishing, but the truth is, the real power comes from visualization. When you visualize something with intense emotion, your mind starts to believe it's already yours. And once your mind believes it, your reality begins to shift. Let me show you just how powerful this really is. Take a deep breath, and just imagine this with me for a moment. You walk outside, and there it is, your brand new car. The one you've been dreaming about for so long. You step closer, and the sunlight hits its shiny surface. Your hand slides over the door handle. It feels smooth, cold, real. You pull it open, sit inside, and the moment you do, everything feels different. Close your eyes for a second. Feel the seat beneath you, the texture of the steering wheel in your hands, the weight of the keys. Now inhale slowly and feel that fresh, new car smell. That feeling you're experiencing right now, this is visualization. Your mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you visualize with emotion, your brain starts creating new pathways. It sends signals to your subconscious mind saying, "This is who I am now. This is my life." And your subconscious begins to attract opportunities, ideas, people, and situations that match that vision. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. You're literally rewiring your brain to see and seize opportunities you would have otherwise missed. You start acting like the person who already has what you want, making decisions from that place of confidence and certainty. Think about elite athletes. Before they ever win a race, they've already run it in their mind thousands of times, feeling the burn in their muscles, hearing the crowd cheer, and crossing that finish line first. Before great speakers walk on stage, they imagine the applause, the connection with the audience, the standing ovation. Every successful person understands one thing. You have to see it in your mind before you can ever hold it in your hands. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a mental rehearsal for success. It's about building the internal framework for your external reality. Now, let's take this further. Imagine more. Picture the life you truly want, the home you feel at peace in, the career that lights you up, the bank balance that gives you freedom, the deep sense of inner peace. See it clearly, feel it deeply, touch it emotionally as if it already belongs to you. Because the stronger your emotions are, the stronger your energetic vibration becomes, and the stronger your vibration, the faster the universe responds. It's like tuning a radio. You have to tune your frequency to the station you want to listen to. Your feelings are the dial. Most people visualize once and then give up because they don't see immediate results. But that's like going to the gym once and expecting a six-pack. If you want real, lasting results, you must return to that feeling every single day. Make it a non-negotiable ritual. Morning, night, whenever you have a quiet moment, just close your eyes and step into your future. Experience it like it's happening right now. If you want love, imagine holding their hand, hearing their laugh, feeling that warmth and connection. If you want success, imagine yourself receiving the award, signing the contract, celebrating your achievement. If you want abundance, imagine the joy and relief of seeing notifications of money received. The universe doesn't listen to your words, it listens to your feelings. Your vision is not random. It's a preview of what's possible for you. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's programming. It's you, as the creator of your life, sending clear and powerful instructions to your reality. You are telling the universe exactly what you are available for. When you consistently align your energy with your desires, you become a magnet for them. Things start to fall into place in ways you couldn't have planned or predicted. The moment you learn to live in the feeling of your dream before it arrives, the moment you start acting like the future you, your entire life begins to change. Everything you want is already out there, waiting for you. You just have to match the frequency of having it. So remember this. Every time you close your eyes and truly feel your desire as if it is already here, you're not just imagining your future, you're creating it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.